Hey guys, Cam, Sigma, Just. We're going to listen to some of your party music, which we have no idea we're about to be playing. And we're going to let you know what we think of it. Yeah. So it best be good.
It's going to be interesting.
It will be. Fashion.
Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah.
Voguing.
Oh.
It's a bit like...
You like to dance.
Yeah.
Hey, do you want to dance?
There you go.
What era is this? 90s? Yeah, it sounds it.
This is a tune, actually.
I mean, this shit wouldn't run these days. But yeah, it's all right.
Hey.
I mean, to be honest, I'd probably go to the bar and get a drink if it was on in a club.
I wait for the drop, man. Wait for the bass line.
It's dropped.
Oh.
Yeah. I look at that synth line.
This is so,
Shit. Okay, so out of 10, I'll give this a 6. What would you give it?
6.
6.
Yeah, 100%. Oh, this is heart-wrenching. I'm gonna drop a tear. Oh man. This is some spandex, man. This is some spandex.
Spandex? What would you be putting your spandex on?
Yeah, this is yellow spandex, man. Oh my days.
This is shit. What era is this? 90s? 2000?
No way.
Oh god.
Wow.
Yeah, this gets a 3 out of 10.
Yeah. For effort.
I mean, it doesn't help, I don't know what she's talking about.
Yeah.
What is she talking about? It's so hot.
I told you, man, it's spandex. Yellow spandex.
It's so hot. Put on your spandex.
So hot.
Yeah, this is terrible.
Yeah.
That's
yeah, give me something else.
That's a rotten tomato.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give this 10 seconds. Yeah, it's
Nothing
dead.
in tune or nothing, man. Like, come on.
I think this era of music was just shit.
Oh no, hell no.
I can imagine you like, you know, being in a club, having a few too many shandies.
No.
Yeah, dead. Next. Oh, sounds like your grey car. What is it?
I can't do it, man.
Style of music.
Yeah, it's killing me.
Yeah, that's a niche from us.
Yeah, mate.
Well, first of all, BMWs are shit.
Yeah, exactly.
And that kind of sums it up, really. See, this is deep.
Yeah, see, straight away, this is kind of...
Watch it switch to something. Oh.
They love cars.
Another BMW. You can tell that engine because it sounds like it's about to die.
Oh man. Wow. It wasn't even on time.
I'm willing to place a bet this is more current.
There's no way that this went off in the club. I refuse to believe that.
What is he talking about?
Yeah, he must be saying something really deep for it.
He's saying like his car has new tires.
Are you actually being serious? What car has he got? A BMW?
Oh,
are you
my
serious?
word.
Why is everyone rapping about BMW? Well, it sounds like he's about to crash. Next.
He definitely came off the road then.
Yeah. That 3 Series is fucked.
Yeah. Is it a 3 Series? Oi, trap.
He's gonna bust us some lyrics.
Trap. Oh, you definitely just could fit in the set.
Go on.
Yeah. 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 Yeah, this is bad, this is bad. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. For me?
Yeah, it's pretty decent.
Decent.
This is from now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it sounds good.
Yeah.
The production sounds good.
Yeah.
Don't know what they're saying, but
it's
sounds
flow
good.
6, tight.
Yeah. That gets a 10 out of 10.
10, 10, 10, 10. Oh, that 10. Sounds like EDM now.
It's decent. Kind of sounds like Skrillex a bit.
It's alright, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's decent.
It's like 4 different types of music in there. Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Well done, guys.
This sounds new.
It sounds good. This is good.
Yeah, man, this is sick. Like Major Lazer.
Are they talking about BMWs? It's cool to be from the country.
Yeah, cool to
be a hillbilly.
Well, I can relate. In England, I used to live in the countryside. He lived in the city, and clearly I'm way cooler than he.
Yeah. This is actually good, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, this is a good one. I will put this number 2 on the list.
Yeah. Yeah, that other rap one was,
Yeah.
number 1.
So yeah, this is good.
Yeah. Oh, this is like cartoon music, man.
You made this.
It's like a children's thing. It sounds like Teletubbies or Thomas the Tank Engine or, you know.
Oh, hang on. EDM.
What's happened now? How can you turn a children's thing into crunk shit?
It's what Hardwell does best.
Oh, wow.
That is dead.
Come on, man.
That gets a minus 10 out.
Yeah, it killed me. It should have just stayed where it was.
Was that a big tune? I mean, I'm sorry, but yeah, we obviously don't know what they're saying, which makes a big difference. But if they're rapping about BMWs again, then, you know, we're down.
The thing is, if it was just like this, that drop, it will. But, oh, come on, man.
Yeah, that's just a bit weird. It's a gimmick, though.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Yeah, that's great. Probably wouldn't play it in our sets, but fair play to them.
Yeah, I reckon I'm giving that a high score for just effort.
Yeah.
But cut the kid stuff out. And
Cut the crap.
Yeah, and just do the drop. Job done.
So we're out of 10?
7.
7,
Yeah.
good. Right, so come to the end of our little thing. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe by clicking here and here.